Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I'm finally getting around to filming my review on the new Anastasia Beverly Hills highlighter with Amrezy. If you guys don't know who Amrezy is, I promise you need to look her up. She is the baddest on this earth because she literally looks perfect. I will insert a picture of Amrezy. She's literally so pretty, but when I saw that she was coming out with a highlighter, I had to get it, and when I got it, you guys, I did not expect it to be this big. Like, this is huge. Let me just show you guys. I'll have up close of like the packaging and everything because the packaging is pretty. It has stars, it's gold, and it's black. It literally looks like this. It's so pretty. Sorry, you guys can probably see the curtain in the background, but it's just a highlighter, and I love Anastasia highlighters, but Amrezy's like the queen of glow. And this is just so stunning to me. You guys cannot even see it, so I'm gonna go up close and take a little snippet of it so you guys can see what it looks like, because it literally looks like waves and water, and it's just so pretty. I cannot wait to put this on my skin. Okay, so I do look a bit crazy because I don't have any lip color on, but that's because I like to highlight my Cupid's bow. But I'm just gonna jump right into this review. There's no need to ramble on, and I am so excited. Also, the compact has a huge mirror, and I freaking love it. Like, let's apply this to my face. I'm gonna be using my Anastasia Beverly Hills A23 brush. It's clean. I washed it, so there's no product on it, and I absolutely love this brush. I got it a long time ago, and it's lasted me. It's one of my favorites to apply. Not too sure what highlighter brush she used to apply it, but obviously any highlight brush will work. So I had a friend try this out, and she said that at first it's subtle, but it's buildable. Oh my gosh, there's no fallout. Yay. There's literally no fallout. Okay, that's probably a lot. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply it to my cheekbones. You guys, that literally looks so wet. I don't know, I can't see my monitor right now to see if it's picking up. But that's just like, this is no highlighter on my face. And then this is highlighter on my face. And it looks freaking wet. I'm gonna go ahead and apply it to the other side of my face. It literally looks wet and like sheeny. It's actually so pretty, and it's subtle. Like, that's only one layer, and that's pretty subtle. And then I'm looking at it up close, and it doesn't have like chunks of glitter. It's very finely milled, and I like that because it melts into my face. And once I set my face with like a Fix Plus or any type of setting spray, it's just gonna melt in beautifully. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply it to above my brows. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and highlight all the areas of my face. So my Cupid's bow, the tip of my nose, bridge of my nose, inner corner, and brow bone like normal. And I'm just gonna do one coat right now, and then I'm gonna come back on and I'll do like a second coat so you guys can see how intense it can get. Okay, so that's one coat of it, and I'm trying to like contrast my face so you can see it more. But it looks wet. It looks so good with one layer. To be honest, like, I want to just wear one layer because it's the right amount of dew in my opinion, and I freaking love it. But I'm gonna go ahead for the sake of this video and apply a second coat just to my cheekbones and my forehead. That is stunning. I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side. Amrezy did that. And this huge freaking highlighter is literally only $28 or $29. And that's really good because you are not going to run out of this highlighter unless you probably use it every single day for like 2 years straight. but I'm obsessed. I will highly recommend picking this up. I believe it is limited edition. I love this freaking formula. Like, my skin looks so dewy. I'm actually gonna spray it with my Smashbox Photo Primer water just to set it because I don't feel like getting my other sprays. I freaking love it. This looks so pretty, you guys. Okay, so this is the end of today's video. I just wanted to keep it short and simple for this review, and Amrezy girl, you did that. If you guys have not picked this up already, I definitely would, because my face looks so dewy and wet, and it does not look like I have sparkle on my face, and I absolutely love that. Love the formula, love the price, and how big this is. But yeah, you guys, be sure to give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button down below, hit the bell, that way you are notified every single time that I upload a new video, and I'll speak to you guys in my next one. Bye!
Gucci bag, Gucci bag, Gucci bag, yeah, Fendi bag, Prada bag, Louis bag, Gucci bag, Birkin bag, Birkin bag, she in a bag, she drip, she swag, never mad, she